What is up, guys? Today is a good day because I am gonna put some Nissan Sentra coil packs in my McLaren, and that will and that will help us unlock the full 8,500 RPMs. Because right now, when I start accelerating, it just starts misfiring and it cuts power. Hopefully these will be the trick, and we'll have full power. These are actually from a Nissan Sentra. If you look very closely, that's one of them. There's one more right there. There's one more right there. And there's one more right there.
That's one of them, right? Underneath the frame of the car.
Anyways, they're very, very hard to reach places. Let's get with the install. Yeah. First step, take off this engine cover. Now the next step is figuring out what the hell I'm doing because I don't know.
Got it.
Oh my god.
That's number one.
That is the exact same. You cannot tell me it's not, dude. If mine wasn't red, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. They look the exact same. Everything about them is like...
They even have the same amount of layers.
Yeah. So now we got to get the rest of these guys out and start putting these in. We tried fitting one and it actually fits in there like perfectly. Look at that. You see where the bolt aligns? It's good. It fits. Now we just got to take the rest of them out.
Right, let's take it out.
Plus, look at him, bro. He's like panting. Plus one more coil pack. Let's go. That makes 4. I don't know if you can tell by how dark it is since we last recorded. Yeah, we're giving up on taking out these last two that are really hard to reach. We're just gonna do 6 out of 8 coil packs, and hopefully the ones that were making a misfire we switched out because we can't get them out. I got one more out. That makes 7 out of 8. I don't think we're gonna get the last one though. So we got mostly all of them in. We haven't even bolted some of them in yet. I don't know if you can see down there. But we're just gonna make sure it works. We have 7 out of 8 in. I don't know how that affects performance over. Let's just connect the battery and then...
Well, I don't understand.
Then we're gonna...
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully nothing bad happens. If I tell you turn it off, then turn it off.
Why does it idle like a fucking... Like a truck. Like a truck, bro. It's cam, bro, trust.
Alright, go for it.
Alright. Uh-oh.
Hello? That's good, right? I think that's good. What?
Wait for idle to drop, and then we'll see.
That's not a misfire.
What is that? What is that? I don't like that.
It sounds a lot better.
Right.
You guys remember what it was like before, right?
Yeah.
But that was bad. Now it'll do a little bit, but it's not as bad. All right, here are all 7 coil packs, even though there should be 8, and they're all in there. All right, y'all. Well, it's a new day, and we're gonna go take this out and see how she performs. I am excited. This car will actually be fast now. Before, it was fast, but then it cut power. It's still so loud here, but it sounds way better. Alright, let me get the engine cover on. Just like that, engine cover's on, and we're good to go. Let's get it. Alright, ready? You just listen to it. Yo, what the fuck? Wait, it's so much faster. Oh my god. Oh my god! Alright, I'm gonna go home, wait till later, I'm gonna meet my friend and you're gonna see his reaction. Just so you know I'm not exaggerating. He's about to go crazy, bro. You guys don't even know. It's insane.
it's a camera, so if you let me be like a chick where I'm taking a picture.
Want to flick with it all over?
No, that's the reason why it has the camera.
That is not the reason it has the camera. Turn the lights on.
POV drive with the Prius.
The
in and out hat.
The left stick.
Why are you looking at the top?
I mean the lights. The headlights.
So I kidnapped my friend here, and we're gonna go show him how fast it is now. And we have an exhaust cam this time. I don't know if you can see, but I cannot see anything out of my rearview mirror.
Oh my god, bro.
See how it doesn't stop pulling now?
Holy shit. Under the bridge? What the fuck?
It's like properly fast now.
That just keeps pulling.
Yeah, it doesn't stop at all. Insane.
Just even when you shift, it just keeps going.
Look at the flames. Look, ready?
It was fast before, but now it's like just continuously fast. You know what I mean? That's a humongous ball, bro. What the fuck?
Is that Chivo? Is that Chivo?
No way!
Bro, our friend's behind us. Our friend's behind us in a Prius, and the second we got off. Oh my god.
Oh my god! What the fuck? This thing's a rocket, bro.
That's insane.
This thing sounds nasty.
If you don't understand that reference, watch the last video. Nasty.
How did you keep up?
Dude, as soon as we got on the off-ramp and we saw that you were right behind us, we're like, ain't no way. Dude, look at this guy in his in and out hat.